Hello everyone and welcome back to Goodness Kitchen. Today we are going to be making banana pancakes. The ingredients that we are going to be using today is milk, flour, mashed bananas, baking powder and 2 eggs. We're going to start by putting the milk inside a bowl. Then we're going to add the banana. Mix it up. And I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to add the flour. Baking soda. It's not needed to add sugar. You can add sugar if you want, but I find that the banana has already a kind of sugar level in it that's enough for the pancakes. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, but you could also add vanilla or any other taste you like. Now I'm done with mixing. So now I'm gonna be baking, frying the pancakes. Now I'm gonna just fry the pancakes. And here you got yourself banana pancakes. It's a very easy recipe. I can use it as a snack or as breakfast or as anything that you would like to eat it with. You can eat it with chocolate or with powdered sugar or even with maple syrup or normal syrup. If you want more goodness from Goodness Kitchen, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. God bless you all. Bye.